Welcome to the ultimate showdown of AI video generation tools. Today we'll explore 4 amazing tools that are pushing the boundaries of creativity. Let's dive in. First up, we have Runway Gen 3 Alpha. This tool is still in its alpha stage, which means it's not fully polished yet, but boy does it deliver high-quality videos. However, it's a bit pricey, but for sheer quality, it's hard to beat. Next, we have Dream Machine. This tool shines when you give it a detailed and specific prompt, especially if you upload an image. The results? High-quality videos that capture your imagination perfectly. Now let's talk about Hyper AI. Consistent and reliable, Hyper AI is great for generating short videos. While it may not match the top-notch quality of some others, it's still pretty impressive and super efficient. Last but not least, OpenAI Sora. Although it's not released yet, the advertisements promise it to be the most powerful video generation model. The anticipation is real, and we can't wait to see what it can do. There you have it, the best AI video generation tools out there. Each has its unique strengths, so pick the one that suits your needs best and let your creativity soar. Keep watching to view the amazing potential of these video generation tools and see some of the latest videos they produce.